Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new updates on Berry Avenue March 2025. So Berry Avenue just dropped a massive update and it's packed with new houses, cool features, and surprises. So let's break it all down so you don't miss anything. So once you open the Berry Avenue game, there will be this update log. You can see there are lots of new updates now on the game. So there are new premium and free houses, and also you can get the fast travel menu in the main menu, and the travel app in the phone, also the house app in the phone, and there's also the new look around system when moving the camera. And now you can also disable the bad animations if you are annoyed by it. So let's just see the update. Let's see the new houses first. You can just tap on house in here, and let's see the houses. You can see there are lots of new houses that you can select it now. And when I'm going to show you the phone updates, when you go to your phone in here, there's this one's right here. You can click on this location. So now you can just tap on any locations in here, let's say Paris, and as you guys can see now, you can fly directly to Paris by using that apps on your phone. So this is a fast travel menu, so you can get to your preferred locations quicker and easier. There is a new app host on your phone. I'm going to show you the app. So here I'm in Paris now. Let's go to the phone again, and there also this menus on jobs. You can choose any jobs from here, and on the settings also you can disable the bad animation, so when you can just turn it off. You can also turn off the look with camera. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.